Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the transport box oil that is used in some Mitsubishi, Peugeot and Citroen vehicles. This car is using the twin clutch sport shift transmission and the transfer box is attached to the transmission. This is the transfer box right there. There is a drain plug on it and a filler plug. This is the drain plug there on the bottom. The filler plug is located on the side of the transfer box. It's located just somewhere there. In order to get access to it, first we need to loosen this air intake pipe. That air intake pipe is held by two bolts there and one on the other side. We need to remove those two bolts and then move the air intake pipe a little bit to the side so that we can get access to the filler plug. This is the other bolt right there that's holding the air intake hose. Now that the bolts for the air intake pipe are removed, we can move it to the side and get access to the filler plug. To remove the filler plug, we're going to use socket size 17. So we're going to loosen the filler plug and remove it completely. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. That's the filler plug removed and we can see there is some oil coming out, so that means that the oil is to the maximum level. Next we're going to remove the drain plug and drain the oil from the transfer box. Now we're going to wait for all the oil to drain and then we're going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Before I start putting the new oil in, I'm going to show you in the service manual the oil capacity and the oil type for this transfer box. It's 80W GL5 and the capacity is 0.54 liters. This is the oil that I'm using for this transfer box. It's Castrol Transmax 80W GL5. And this is my pump that I'm going to pump all the oil in there with. I'm going to put that part of the hose into the filler hole and I'm going to put my pump into the bottle and start pumping oil until oil starts to come out of the filler hole. Once oil starts to come out of the filler hole, that means that the oil is to the maximum level and we can remove the hose and put the filler plug back on. Here we can see oil started coming out of the filler hole, so that means the transfer box oil is at maximum level, so now we can put the filler plug back on. Now we're going to tighten the filler plug and we're done with replacing the transfer box oil. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.